Hey guys, it's Parker again. I wanted to make a quick video on how to apply the update fixes that will get your Cockpit's system updates and network interface management working. First, I did want to make a quick note, something I think I kind of explained poorly in my last video. If you want a really simple login, you can just do password root instead of creating a new user. And that'll kind of avoid a lot of the trouble steps you saw in the last video with the new user account creation. Once you've set that password, you can just come straight to your login, and because that SSH key you use to deploy with is already added, when you log in like this, you're going to have root access immediately, and it makes everything function a whole lot better. The trouble you're going to have here is when you come down here to networking, you're going to see that your interfaces are listed as unmanaged, and your software updates are going to spin and spin and spin and eventually say that your server's offline, even though it's clearly not. There's a super simple fix for this. When you install Cockpit, it automatically installs the network manager package. So all we have to do is get it working. The first thing we're going to do is do cd/etc/netplan. And then you're going to do ls-l just to display the name of your net plan, so you make sure you edit the right file. And then you're going to do nano and the name of the net plan. You're going to come down here, and on 22.04 and 22.1 you're going to press enter and tab twice. On 2204 in nano, it is 2 spaces or 4 spaces for indents, so it would be 4 for this first one, and then I think it's 4 for the next one, 4 for the one after that. It's much more frustrating to do, but it's a lot easier in the newer versions. And you're going to put version 2, enter, and then we're going to do 2 tabs again. We're going to do renderer, network manager. And then we're going to use our down arrow and come down to the bottom of the file and remove the duplicate line. Make sure you check your spelling up here and make sure these are both lowercase and the name of network manager has a capital N and M in one word. And then you're going to do Control X and yes to write the buffer. Now we just need to switch over our plugin. So we're going to do system control and we're going to disable systemd network D. And for ease, we're going to do and system control enable network manager. Enter that. Oh, I guess I missed the control there. Wow. Sorry guys, really struggling with spelling here. This is almost not even comical anymore. There we go. Okay, now that we've demonstrated that I can't type, we're going to do net plan and apply. Wow. Alright, so now if we come up here to networking, you'll see that our interfaces are now managed and our software updates tab is now working. It's pretty cool. You can manage all of your software updates in here. This does also get one other thing working that would fail before, which was network file system support. You can come here and just click install NFS. Just going to do some software checks here, but this plugin will allow you to mount off-grid storage directly to your node so that you can store things there. We'll go ahead and just install that. And now that that's installed, we can hit this plus sign and then you'll be able to mount up a off-grid file storage. One option I want to explore here is using Filecoin and then being able to have a large storage on Filecoin there and just using the SSDs on the node to actually store stuff for the operating system. You can see here this will allow you to manage the 2 drives that we deployed with the workload in my other video. Down here in networking, you'll have interfaces managed. You'll see the firewall tab is missing. To do that, we're going to do that in another video, but if you want to get to work ahead, it's just apt install firewall D. Be very careful. You can lock yourself out of your node very easily with that. I hope that now that we've demonstrated that I can't type and how to do your network fixes so that your software updates and your network interfaces work, I hope you guys enjoy deploying on the Threefold Grid.